Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add, change, or remove a SIM PIN code on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to go down and select the Security and Privacy tile. And then scroll down again underneath Other Settings and select More Security and Privacy. And then scroll down underneath Security where it says SIM Lock. Go ahead and select that. So if you want to enable the SIM lock, you would go ahead and toggle it to the on position, and you have to enter in a passcode. Otherwise, if you wanted to disable it, you could just click inside the oval one more time. Assuming it was already turned on and lit up blue and toggle to the right, you would just click inside the oval one more time to turn it to the left and it'd be grayed out. Alternatively, if it was turned on, you can also select the Change SIM PIN button that would become available down here, and you would be able to change the SIM PIN. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.